Hello everybody! Welcome to another STEAM challenge of our Extreme Weather series. I am Mr. Clemente and today I'm going to talk a little bit more about what we will be working on our first month back to school. This video is just a taste of what is coming soon, so you can get ready to complete our next STEAM challenge of this term that is all about water. Well, we all know the water is crucial for our life. It keeps our body system working, and we use it several times a day to complete so many different tasks. Considering its importance, we need to use it wisely and avoid wasting fresh water at all costs. The indiscriminate use of water can bring serious consequences to the environment and to the civilizations around the planet. Only 3% of the water in our world is considered fresh and proper for human use. The other 97% represent the water from our oceans. If we look at our planet from space, we can see much more area covered by water than land. These are the oceans of our planet. These 3% of fresh water can be found in lakes, lagoons, rivers, and even under the ground in what we call groundwater. We can also find water tucked away in frozen glaciers and on top of mountains. Nevertheless, a global phenomenon has been responsible for the melting of these glaciers year after year. Do you know what phenomenon I am talking about? How do we call it? Well, if you're not sure, stop for a while and think. What may be happening to the world's climate to melt glaciers and snow from really cold areas? Well, we will learn more about that soon, but today I want to talk about something that not only helps keep the climate stable, but regulates the weather in our entire planet. The water cycle. The water cycle is something that happens all the time and is happening right now. It is the name we give to the movement the water does in the nature, going from the ocean, evaporating into the atmosphere, raining onto land, and running back to the ocean again. This movement is extremely important to regulate the weather in every country in the world. And any disruption in this cycle can lead to extreme weather events. But how does the water cycle work? How the water go from the ocean to the atmosphere? Why there are frozen water on top of mountains? What causes the rain? Does it rain more often in certain parts of the world? Where is all the water from a river going to? To understand more about the water cycle, answer all these questions and much more, we are counting on a specialist from MIT, Dr. Caroline Umenhofer. She's a scientist that studies the water cycle, and she will answer any questions you may have about it. To get this year started, she will record this video replying some of the questions from every North English students across the globe. And your questions might be one of them. To send your questions to Dr. Caroline Umenhofer, you will need to access the Global Campus website. Once you have done that, make sure you are logged in. If so, your name will appear on the top right corner of your screen. If not, you will need to access using your email and password. Then, on the top menu bar, click on Global Campus Core, and then on STEAM with MIT. A new page will appear with a lot of different activities with MIT, but today we are going to complete the MIT Extreme Weather Challenge 2. Here, you will be able to read more information about this challenge and even watch a video our curiosity correspondent prepared for us.
but focus on our mission, that is ask a question to Dr. Caroline. For that, you will need to scroll down your page until you see a box that says Ask the Experts. Click on that box. A new page will appear with a lot of different questions from students around the globe. You can read and get inspired. But to send yours, go to the top of the page and click on the plus sign on it. Here is where you're going to write your questions. Make sure your name is over there. Give a name to your post, give a title for it, and be creative with your questions. There is no right or wrong. You can ask anything you would like to know about the water cycle. Once you have done that, go to the bottom of the page and don't forget to click on Submit. That's really important. Then you will be able to see your questions on the wall. That's it. Pretty simple, isn't it?
So that's it, BCB. This is your first mission of 2022. This is just the beginning, and I hope you have fun in this next challenge. So pack your bag for school and don't forget to include a rain jacket in it. See you soon. Bye bye.